yeah, today is a very day. It's a very totally day. Like, totally not like 7 p.m. Like, totally day. Like, totally not 8 p.m. Totally day. Anyway. Okay, well. Fidgets. Want to see more fidgets? What am I doing? Hey, I know that you can like put your foot on this and then like spin yourself because I've done it before. Don't do that unless they're like in a very safe surrounding because I totally was like totally. But pop it, mochi, spinner, another fidget spinner. You're probably wondering how are these all appearing. Yeah, they just are. Among Us. This is the hard side. This side is really, really, really hard, and the other side is really, really, really soft. Like sometimes they even pop back up. And then here's the really, really, really soft side. Man, that's loud. Don't mind the dish noises in the background. Sorry. But yikes! Why does this always happen to me? Like, whenever I'm recording, it just boop and then dead. But now you're going to be seeing dead. You're going to be seeing something. I really don't know anymore. You're going to be seeing me trying to trip over this. I also know that mochis. Don't ask how I know all of this. I stepped on my fidgets before. Okay. How mochis make you trip instantly, no matter what. They are very slippery. Oh. I know I did it before, and I know I can do it again somehow. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I did it with the other one. This one's really weak because we got it at like a dollar store. So, yeah. Totally. The way I said it, but. Okay, now I'm gonna do the mochi and then I'll do the fidget spinner thing. So I have to do it on like this type of material. Okay, you guys. So she's making like farting noises. Okay, never mind. Like, yeah! Nearly dead. No, okay. Oh, okay, that was fail, but how can this, so cute, but how is it so powerful? It's dirty because I just like stepped on it from the floor, but yeah. Now we're going to be doing fidget spinner. I'm pretty sure either a dimple spinner or a fidget spinner was the first spinner. Not spinner, fidget. Oh my gosh, no! How come it's breaking? It's like breaking, look. Look, the thing isn't moving. Like, I'm trying to get it to move without the other thing moving. Well, it's worth a shot. I know I did it before, though. Oh, I did it. Except it was way cooler first time I did it because, I mean, it wasn't broken. Somehow this broke. How dare you? Now, today is more random stuff with Lexi. But there's a main thing of this video. It's a slime tutorial and just random stuff as well. So, no. By the way, if you guys, ow, I'm on the table. If you guys didn't know, I'm going to be your Arica for Halloween. I will show you the wig. Oh, it's in the net. Yeah. We're just gonna take that net off. This is the wig. I haven't got the costume yet. But why am I shouting? I'm pretty sure you guys can hear me. Yeah. I would try it on, but okay, fine. I'll try it on. But you guys, it's gonna look weird because I don't have like the thing on. Like, oh my god. Like, I haven't, like, fully secured it, and I don't have the net to keep my hair out of it. So it is gonna look weird like this. Yeah. Why does it smell like stink bug? Why does it smell like a stink bug? Oh my god, I'm really starting to smell it. Okay, I'm gonna put it in here. Back in the bag. You go with your net. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but it comes with it, so. No. Okay, I'm still here, you guys. Don't worry. Why would you worry? I don't know, but I'm coming. And his name is John Cena. No. Stop saying the word. Yeah, I'm not gonna say it. Haha. No. Oh. Okay, guys, I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some ingredients. Okay, guys, I'm coming. Sorry about the long wait, but so I got the stuff. You just can't see me right now. I decided to make this not a tutorial. Oh my god, I smell so.
One sprayed. That's why.
Oh, one sprayed. Okay. Stink bugs everywhere. I see one right now. Oh, darn it. Okay, so this is gonna be adding too much. Sorry for that off point. So first is adding too much hand sanitizer. Now I know hand sanitizer melts down slime, but I'm gonna make it like raw and like. I'm gonna get a spatula and I'm going to be aesthetic. No, I'm not gonna be aesthetic actually. Okay, hand sanitizer, dirty hand sanitizer, because there was like a tag and I pulled it off and then just got thrown around and it's still sticky, so it's sticking to everything. Anyway, I don't know. I think that's a lot. Oh, it's adding too much. Add more, add more, add more, add more. Okay, that's too much. I added too much on too much video. Too much. It's like so much hand sanitizer. I know, because there's not a lot of glue. Oh, that hand sanitizer. What the flip? Did I just say hand sanitizer dactyl or something? Okay, that hand sanitizer. Wait, is it active? It's activating it. Okay, but it smells horrible. It smells like rotten fruits. Oh my god, guys, it's literally activating it. How? Please actually act. Why does it smell so bad? Stinking up the room. Stinking up the dining room. Next time we have dinner, it's gonna smell like rotten fruits. Not the food, but just the air. Ooh. Oh my god, is it like slightly turning pink? It kind of is turning pink. I don't know if I'm over or under activating it, so I'm just gonna add more anyway. I think I was over activating it. I don't care. It's adding too much, right? Okay. Why am I using a spatula? This is like my first time using a spatula making slime. Except for the one where I baked a cake using slime. I don't know if any of you guys noticed that it was slime or not, but don't eat slime, please. Okay, but now you know. Wow, it's like unsticking. I want to touch it. Ew! It won't even activate, guys. Don't add too much hand sanitizer to slime. But actually, it's a great thing. Like, I did this before. Oh, it's actually kind of... It's a jiggly slime! Well, still, don't do it because it's extremely sticky. But I remember a long time ago. Not that long. Well, I always do it. Okay, so basically, there's a thing. Adding... Stuttering. We got a pot. Why though? I don't even know. I think are we like baking this or something? I don't even know. We're just gonna pour this in there to get a better thing of it, so I can. At this point, I don't even need the spatula. I'm just gonna like. I am something. I'm not Moana. Guys, I need help. This is not jiggly. This is sticky. When you think of jiggly slime is sticky. Sticky slime is jiggly. What the heck? Guys, it's sticking and I can't get it off. Please send a prayer. Actually, you don't have to. I need to send a prayer for myself. Hold on. Help me. It's leaking. Okay, you guys. Put in sink. Put stuff in trash. Oh my gosh, why is it trash? Okay. Lottie, ow. Lottie, help me. Guys, please help me. I'm washing everything off. Now. Guys, I still have a stain from Dracula's blood. Dracula's blood is poisonous. Not really, actually, though. But still, like... Okay, guys, yeah, I don't think we can use this anymore. I'm gonna wash it and then redo it. Guys, I don't know if you guys want to see the process of me washing it, so I'm just gonna like... Okay, guys, it is washed. That didn't take as long as expected. What is that on the table? Oh, yeah, it's the jiggly slime. I'm not gonna use my shirt because that's for your... Fine, because there's no freaking paper towels right now. And now... It didn't do anything, you guys. Dead. Oh my god, it's so warm. Okay, yeah, I used really hot water and probably burned my hands. Not a lot because I don't have a lot of glue left. Next is adding too much Orbeez, and I've added too much paint, which I'm gonna do in this video. Spoiler alert, yeah, I should have said that before I said that, but that's fine. These have a lot of memory in them, so I can't actually add the whole bag, but I'll add a lot. But it's enough. So I usually only add like 1 or 2 Orbeez to slime because it's kind of like a charm, pretty much the same thing. But today where's my spatula? Okay, it's washed. Thank God. Okay, oh, it's actually kind of small amount and a big amount at the same time. We need to make sure it's fully mixed so they don't fall out when we activate it. I suggest if you're gonna add Orbeez to a slime, and a lot of them, like I am, I suggest to add them while you're making the slime, because if you add them after you make the slime, and if it isn't like sticky or if just any texture really, then it's just gonna like fall out all the time. Guys, we're doing it. Ah. Yeah, Orbeez don't really do anything to the slime. They just do texture and falling, really. Magical liquid. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. Please don't fall out. Yeah, it's still gonna fall out. But it will still be a lot better than I added to any point of this video again. Life hack! Oh my god. actually squeezing. Guys, help me. You know what? Fingertips. Extra life hack. I think I got something on the table. Great. Washing hands. No need to fear. A paper towel is here. I think this is the one that my mom used to clean me for. Okay. It smells good. Smells like very good. Because it was soaking wet. Because I also used it to dry my hands. Oh yeah, that definitely was the one that my mom used to clean me for. Yeah, we're good. Don't worry. Now. Okay. Mix me. Oh, all you gotta do is mix. Stop singing. All you gotta do is now. Mix. God help me. I can't get this to. It's such a good texture, but the Orbeez are just ruining it. You know what? I think all the Orbeez already freaking fell out. But this would definitely be a lot worse if we added them beforehand. Afterhand. I don't want to leave them on the floor. Like, I literally need to pick them up. Because if I don't, if one of my animals fall, then they might die. Anyway. I love my animals truly, so yeah. Why is my cat coming? Ninja, what are you doing? Why did you just lunge at the couch and then start laying on it? I'm so confused. You're like going literally everywhere. This was such a bad idea. The hand sanitizer and the Orbeez didn't work, so I'm hoping that the paint one works. I literally will like throw all of these Orbeez out now. Great waste of time, but I like the slime anyway, so be nice. Be positive. Okay, there's so many Orbeez. I want to get them all out. It's like I'm massaging it. Okay, and they're falling out. No! Why is there some in here, huh? Why is there some in here? I'm like separating to the washy go. You guys, you can still hear me, which is a good thing and a bad thing because I'm going to start singing. If you want to run away with me, I know a galaxy and that's a but alright. I had a premonition that we both dead. Mixing the whatever that is into the bowl, putting some dish soap, and now putting water, scrubbing, burning hand, ouch, putting more water because it burns, starts turning into a dishwasher, Orbeez float around, gets the Orbeez, squishes them and put them in the trash can, mixy, blender without a lid, I'm basically just singing what happened, and what's happening is I'm telling you guys what I'm saying. I'm almost done. I feel the pain and misery from this cup. Oh, it's hot. Oh, okay, the water stopped. Time to dry them and then dry my hands. Drying my hands. Drying my hands. After drying my hands, I put it under and then I do what I'm doing. And then I stuff it bored and wanting to go and continue the video, which is what I'm about to do. Except for this. Man, that 20 minutes. Brain damage. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna pause this. It's been 20 minutes already, so yeah. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I cleaned up all the Orbeez, and now this is the last one. I'm not going to be making another slime, so here. Because that was too messy, so I'm gonna clean up the mess that I made from the other slimes, and I don't want another mess, so yeah. Logic. Yeah, logic. Yay. Okay. We are doing whatever we're doing. Now we're going to be adding too much paint to this already made slime, which is probably going to be a bad idea. We do this. Too much. Okay, so pick it up. And now we're going to go over here so it doesn't get on that special table. You guys, what is it doing? Oh my gosh, such a good texture. What? Okay guys, I need to let this color like sink into the slime before I, And yeah, it's very vibrant and it's kind of like you put clay in it. And every time you like do this, it's like not clear. It's just plain yellow still. And here it is. But that is it for now. If you enjoyed, click the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!